In this video we'll learn about get method. So get method returns the value of a specified key if it is present in the dictionary. So it takes two parameter, key and value. So let's make a person variable and let's store a dictionary of name as the key, and let's put the name as Ray, and let's put the age as another key and 22 as the value. So let's print the name. So let's put person dot get and the key as name. Similarly, let's print the age. We'll put person dot get age. So let's run it and see. So the value returned are Ray and 22. So let's print with a value which is not specified. So salary, so it is not there, so it will return none. Okay, so I am going to put person dot get and then I am going to put salary. So when I run it, so I am getting the output as none. So let's provide a value salary, and here we are going to put person dot get and then salary. Let's put the value as 10,000. So when I run it, I am getting the value of 10,000. So now let's make a empty dictionary. Person equals, okay. So let's use the get method, print salary, person dot get salary, again print. So let's see the output first. So you can see here it is giving the output as none, but when I use person and then salary, so it will give a error. So you can see here it is giving the key error. So get method returns the default value if the key is missing.